with another video. In this video, we're playing Would You Rather. So, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Would you rather have a lasting relationship or a one-night stand?
Lasting relationship. Thank you very much.
Same here. This question is if there was no COVID-19.
Okay.
Would you use a stranger's toothbrush or were there dirty underwear? I'd rather use a toothbrush.
Ew! None of them are good.
I know, it's disgusting. You think I want to use a stranger's dirty underwear? That's disgusting.
But what if you turn it backwards?
That's still nasty. I would rather use the toothbrush. At least you can wash it out a little bit.
That's so nasty.
That's disgusting.
Okay, toothbrush for real. Because you know what? You could boil some hot water on the stove and
you could
clean
boil
it out. Yeah, you could get all that
dirty
germs
underwear
out.
is dirty.
That's true.
It's dirty. That's just nasty.
You're right.
Would you rather have a perfect relationship with bad sex or have a bad relationship with incredible sex?
Jesus. It's like,
I would rather
that's
have
toxic right there.
I would rather have
the bad relationship with good sex is toxic. Y'all know that.
Yeah. I would rather have the opposite.
Wait, you rather have
good relationship
with bad sex?
Yeah.
I mean,
you could work on making it better.
You're right. That
you could do
true.
things to spice it up.
That's true.
With a
I don't want to have
a toxic relationship. You can't do it. Honestly, you can't do nothing about that. I've been in that before. Yeah. There's nothing you could do about that, honestly.
Yeah, so it's true. I'd rather choose the what was it?
Good relationship.
With bad sex? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll choose that one.
Would you rather have gentle sex or have rough sex?
Gentle.
Me too.
Would you rather have someone shave your genitals or shave someone else's genitals?
I'd rather have someone shave mine.
I did that before. No, I shaved somebody before.
Oh no, I got mine shaved before.
Yeah, I think it was vice versa.
Would you rather see your mom on Tinder or see your boyfriend or girlfriend on Tinder?
My mom.
For me, it would be weird for both because my mom is married to my father and I'm married, so it would be like.
I would see my mom.
I'll probably rather see my mother too, because if I see my husband,
exactly, it's gonna be problems.
It's a problem.
Exactly.
At least I can talk my mother out of it. I'm like, why would you do it? Delete it. Don't do that today.
I'm choking, girl.
Yeah. Okay.
Would you rather never fall in love again or never make love again?
Okay. Never fall in love again or never make love again?
No, that's hard.
That is hard.
Oh, I just took the wine bad just now.
So if how could you make love if you're not in love?
What do you mean? People do that.
That's not making love. That's sex.
No,
sex
but
is not making
I know,
love.
no, but I'm saying even if you're not in love with somebody, you still
have sex.
You still make love with them.
I think I would rather not make love again.
Yeah, I think I would never make love again.
All right. Would you rather make love in the shower or make love in the car?
In the shower. In the shower.
For me, it's in the shower too. Yeah, so you could say that in the shower.
Yeah.
Man, my husband has some steamy time in the car, so I had to think about that.
Would you rather date someone younger or date someone older? I know I answered already.
Okay, this is a tough one for me.
How? When you're...
I usually only date older men.
Exactly.
But my husband is younger than me.
Okay,
So I guess the question... Well, I used to always date older men, so...
For me, is date someone younger. Not that young now, but just younger. I can't date somebody older. Till this day, I can't do it.
Would you rather discover your partner is gay or discover your partner is cheating with one of your friends?
Gay.
Cheating with one of my friends.
Why?
Because...
cheating with one of your friends? No.
I don't know. Is this question going to be like a...
What?
If I say, like... Like, if I be like, I don't want to find out that my partner was gay, is it like me being, like, against...
Homophobic?
Yeah, like homophobic.
No, you have your
people
opinion.
Like, be like, oh, she was wrong, say that.
No, you have no opinion.
Okay.
You can do what you want.
I would be hurt by both. But...
I'd be hurt by both, but I'd be more hurt if he was messing with one of my friends. So,
I'll be pissed. Like, I'll just leave his ass.
Gay. He's probably gonna be mad watching this book.
Right,
gay.
So, you wouldn't be mad if you find out they was cheating with another guy?
I would be mad, but I would be more mad. I would be more mad if it was one of my friends. So I'd rather him... It sounds bad, but... You're probably gonna be mad at me saying this, but I'd rather with a guy. Would you rather propose in private or propose in public? Be proposed in public.
Be proposed in private.
Private?
Mm-hmm.
I like public.
Would you rather make love to a dog or never make love again?
Never make love again.
Me too.
A
That's
dog?
disgusting. Like, you ever seen them animal porns? It's nasty.
No, I haven't seen no animal porn.
It's nasty.
Oh.
Listen.
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 Porn?
First of all, I didn't put it on. I was in a sex shop and I seen
okay.
The cover. It was disgusting. The nastiest thing I ever seen.
I didn't even know.
Me neither until I seen that
porn,
DVD cover.
what?
It's disgusting. And I'm saying they're not just dogs. They did it with snakes.
Wow.
Horse. One of them big golden retrievers. I would never look at a golden retriever the same ever again.
What is a golden retriever?
You know, the dog from Full House.
Full House.
The big dog, the golden. The dog.
Oh, the big brown dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Would
okay.
you rather eat your own vomit or eat your own poop?
Vomit.
Yeah, vomit. Because at least that came out of my mouth.
Ugh.
That's still disgusting. It's still nasty.
It is. Oh, goodness.
All right. This disgusting is very disgusting.
Would you rather lose the ability to have an orgasm or lose taste buds?
Lose the ability to have an orgasm.
Yeah, orgasm.
You want to know why? Because I love food.
I need to know how food tastes.
Forget an orgasm.
Right.
You got to eat every day.
Word.
A couple times a day.
Yeah, so you need to know how your food tastes.
Exactly.
Like,
You don't have to have sex every day.
Exactly. Why you want to be surprised with how your food tastes? That's not good.
Yeah. Like, yeah, I'm going to eat this, but I don't taste it, but I'm still going to eat it. Would you rather pea soda or poo ice cubes?
Poo?
Yeah.
Pea soda.
Yeah, I'd rather pea soda.
Ice cubes? Imagine you pouring ice cubes.
And it's cold.
Exactly, and it's ice cubes. It's hard.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be so hard to come out. Would you rather have sex with the lights on or have sex with the lights off? Off.
I think when it's off,
It don't matter,
but sexy.
Yeah, it's more intimate. You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Ew. Would you rather be in a sex toy store and see your mother in there, or see your father having sex with another woman?
Ew! I'd rather see my mother in a
Yeah,
sex shop.
the first one.
I'm like, well, what you doing here?
That is so. Honestly, I don't think I'll have a problem seeing my mom in a sex store. My mom in a sex store, but my father, no.
It'll be a little weird, but
Yeah,
I'll get over it.
exactly. Oh, he said, "What you doing in here?"
Yo, this question is disgusting.
What?
I don't even think I should ask it.
No, ask it. What's that?
Would you rather drink a glass of period or a glass of sperm?
What?
Yo, both of that is. Oh, I'm just. Yo, period.
Because it come from my body, I'm gonna go with the period. I'm gonna go with the period.
Ew, period stink.
Sperm? Exactly. Period, thank you very much.
I just taste it right now.
That's
It's
disgusting. Like, we come up with these damn questions.
That's nasty. I'd rather jump off a bridge. Doing that.
Exactly.
That's both of it is nasty.
Child. Would you rather? Would you rather 69 or Lotus?
69.
69. Yeah. Would you rather have sex with a woman who has a man's body, or have sex with a man who has a woman's body? Ain't that a trans person?
Probably. I don't know. That's just weird to imagine.
Have sex with a woman who has a man's body.
I guess I would rather have sex with a woman with a man's body.
Yeah.
Would you rather swallow or spit? I'd rather spit. Like, ew.
Spit.
Ew. Okay.
Would you rather have parents-in-law who hate you, or have your parents hate your spouse? Jesus.
I would rather.
Parents.
I would rather have parents-in-law that hate me. Because I don't gotta see them. I don't have to see them.
No, but like, what if you got to go for like holidays, like Thanksgiving?
I'm gonna go. I'm like,
Christmas?
just smile.
That's true. What's the other one? Parents hate your spouse. Yeah, I like the parents-in-law.
Because if my parents hate my spouse, I probably hear about it all the time. Like, my mother would never
let
stop bringing it up.
Yeah.
Would you rather not be able to talk for a month, or not be able to hear for a month? Talk. I'd rather not be able to talk for a month.
To not talk for a month?
Or hear for a month.
But you say you'd rather not talk?
I'd rather not talk for a month.
Why?
Because I want to hear. I can still watch TV.
Okay. Well, you know TV got subtitles, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go with. I want to talk. I'll go with not here for a month. It is what it is.
Okay.
Write it down. Would you rather see your partner having sex with a woman, or see your partner having sex with a man?
With a woman.
Yeah, I'm gonna be mad, but with a woman.
Yeah, I'm be mad too. Would you rather not drink alcohol or not eat sugary foods?
Not eat sugary food. But I'm trying to stay off of that right now. Actually,
I would rather not eat sugary foods.
Of course, she want no alcohol. She want that liquor. Oh, would you rather be dominant or submissive?
That's submissive.
Can I say both?
Would you rather?
Okay. Submissive.
Would you rather? Would you rather look like Lil Wayne or be ugly your whole life?
But Lil Wayne is ugly.
Exactly. So I'd rather be ugly my whole life.
I shouldn't be calling people ugly, boy. He's not attractive at all. So what you say?
Be ugly my whole life.
It's the same thing. Okay, so I guess be ugly my whole life, I guess. Would you rather big boobs or big butt?
I'd rather a big old booty.
A big old booty?
Would you rather no longer have a phone or no longer have a bed?
A phone. No longer have a phone.
I would
Wait,
rather.
yeah, a bed. That means you can't have them bed.
Wait, that means you have to sleep on the ground?
Yeah.
Like on the ground, like
Yeah.
on the floor.
Yeah. I mean, that's what
I
I
would rather not have a phone.
Yeah.
I gotta be comfortable when I sleep.
Yeah, we getting old. What's back with her?
I guess I'll send letters to everyone.
Right? Ooh, would you rather have incredible sex that lasts 2 minutes or have normal sex that lasts an hour?
2 minutes. I'm getting tired. That's too long.
Same. I'm not even gonna lie. Same. Listen.
I'm like, when is this gonna end?
I say I was thinking the same thing. So,
Would you rather wake up next to George Bush or wake up next to Donald Trump?
George Bush.
If I wake up next to Donald Trump, he would wake up every day with a slap. Wake your ass up.
Who would want to wake up next to him anyway?
Would you rather have sex with your crush or have free unlimited buffet access for a month? Is the buffet.
Sex with my crush.
Buffet. I gotta eat.
He said I gotta eat. Okay. Would you rather walk in while your partner is having sex with someone else, or have your partner walk in while you're having sex with someone else?
I'd rather catch them.
No. Opposite for me.
You would rather them walking on you?
Yes, because I don't want to see that.
I don't want to see it
hit with
neither.
something if I see that.
I don't want to see it neither.
I'd rather him see me. Would you rather have sex with anyone you want but never find true love, or only have sex with your true love for the rest of your life? The second one.
Yeah, me too. Would you rather be the ugliest person on earth with a very attractive partner, or be the most attractive person on earth with an ugly partner? I would rather have an ugly partner, because everybody was looking at me like, oh, she ugly, why he with her?
It's opposite for me.
You would rather be ugly and have an attractive partner?
Yeah, because I can't. If you're not attracted to me, I'm not dating you. So
I'm not only attracted by looks, I'm attracted by personality too.
that too, but looks. People be saying looks don't matter. Looks matter to me.
Looks do matter.
Okay.
It does matter, but I think personality matters the most. Because if you have an ugly person, you can be the cutest person.
That's true.
If you have an ugly personality, you'd be so ugly to me.
That's true. But I just can't. I can't date somebody.
Because when I
I'm
first
not
met my
attracted
baby father, he was very attractive. Now I think he is so ugly.
because his personality.
He is
right?
so ugly to me. Like
hear you.
I'm not attracted to him one bit. Serious?
Okay, girl. Would you rather have an overly talkative soulmate or have a mute soulmate?
Overly talkative. I'll get tired of it, but still, at least you talking.
True. Would you rather date someone who's twice your age or date someone who's half your age?
Oh gosh, twice my age, because that person would be like a teenager.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go with this one. I'm gonna have to go with
That person
twice my age.
That person gonna be old.
Damn.
Put him to sleep early.
60.
Would you rather have a Russian accent or a Jamaican accent?
I mean, I'm
already know your
Jamaican,
answer.
so I am gonna choose my accent over any other accent. Of course, my daily. That's my daily.
For me, I think both accents are cool.
Russian accent is sexy though. Like over the guy saying it. Pick
I
one.
kind of I like both of them. Wait, the guys sound sexy, Jamaican guys.
Well, okay.
I would rather, I don't know. I think I would rather have a Russian accent. It just sounds,
It's sexy. The Russian accent is sexy.
it just sounds cool.
Cool. The Russian accent is sexy. Ooh, okay. Would you rather get a blowjob per week or get laid once per month?
A blowjob per week. I can't wait a whole month.
I could. Either for me, but no, I'll go with the first one.
Would you rather have the voice of your 5-year-old self or have the height of your 5-year-old self?
The voice.
The voice.
The voice.
Everybody
Sure,
be like,
I'm
oh, that's
sure
that
the
girl with the kid voice. Would you rather be in love with a person sentenced to death or be in love with a blind and deaf person? It's a little weird, but I would rather be
Blind.
Yeah, a blind and deaf person.
Somebody sentenced to death.
You never gonna see them again.
Can't do that. Ooh, would you rather get 2 legs blown off or get your testicles cut by a pair of scissors?
What? Oh, those both sound
Blown off like with gun, right?
Yeah, like a bomb or
Oh
something.
my gosh.
They both sound. My
Painful.
testicles. If I had testicles.
Yeah, shit. Cause I'm thinking about the leg part. Ooh.
Would you rather spend 4 years in prison for being innocent, or spend 8 years in prison being guilty? I'd
4
rather
years.
spend 8 years being guilty, because if I spend 4 years for being innocent, I'm be pissed.
Yeah, but 8 years is more though.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
deserve it. At least I know. I mean, you know what? I was dead wrong. You know what?
Yeah,
Let me just do my time and get over it. If I'm innocent, I'm gonna be pissed. Pissed.
That's true, but there's a lot of people in jail that saying they're innocent and they have.
Of course, and I'm sure they're pissed.
Yeah, they are. Would you rather watch your parents have sex or walk completely naked throughout the nearest center during rush hour?
Completely naked,
Completely naked.
cause that's nasty.
Oh, these people
Would you
are
rather
disgusting.
come when you fart or fart when you come? I would rather
Wait.
come when I fart.
Fart when you come. Come when you fart. No, ew. I'm gonna fart when I come. Wait, cause come when you fart.
Yeah, that means every time you fart, you
Can I
come.
have arguments? No. No, that's weird.
You gonna fart when you come.
Yeah.
That just takes
That's
away.
What?
Ew,
That's weird.
that's farting while you have sex. It's nasty.
But imagine you come in when you fart, though. Like, you don't have an orgasm when you
Alright,
fart.
nobody gonna know.
Yeah, but doesn't it make you feel weird? It's like, no, no. Would you rather eat poop your whole life but be rich? Or eat normal but be poor? Of course, eat normal. Who eating poop?
Can I pick whose poop it is? Ew, that means my breath gonna smell like shit. all day.
Exactly.
Oh, that's disgusting. That's That's nasty.
Yo.
There's a lot of rich people with stink breaths.
True.
Probably don't bother them. You know what? I'm gonna eat poop and be rich.
She on own with that.
It's disgusting. Ew.
I'm eating normal and poor, I guess. Listen, I ain't nobody poop. Okay.
I don't eat nobody poop.
You just said it.
Nobody else's. You gotta be mine on like a baby's or something. Not a kid though. Kids. It's disgusting. I mean, everybody. Oh, I don't want to think about it. Ew, that's nasty. You know what?
Would you rather be responsible for the death of a child or be responsible for the death of 3 grown-ups? I'm gonna go to grown-ups.
Me too.
I'm gonna feel more.
I think child
I'm gonna be
is
more.
just
I'm gonna more. Yeah, for
too
a child.
much.
Yeah. Would you rather be extra sensitive or don't feel anything? I'm sensitive already, so like I'm sensitive already.
I'm sensitive, but not like crazy sensitive.
I think I'm sensitive.
I guess I'd rather be sensitive.
Yeah, I
At
want
least
to
I have feelings.
Yeah. So guys, this is the end of our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.